Hey guys, Happy New Year! Hope you're all having an awesome start to 2026. I'm Reza Tarazi from CodeFX, back with another prediction video. This time focusing on global gold, XAUUSD. I really hope you find this super useful and enjoy it. So, and always let kick things off with a quick intro on how we came up with this forecast. We analyzed a ton of gold data from price action, volume, time cycles, even momentum and acceleration patterns. This includes stuff like economic cycle fundamentals, and algorithm order flows from futures markets or real price action. Math, statistical models, plus geometry formulas, all of it is important for us. Each one has its own custom algorithms, and ultimately this whole prediction was designed using our AI-based system. All right, let's jump to the next slide and talk about the results. First up, our trend analysis for gold in 2026. Just heads up, this video was recorded on December 31, 2025, and our data was collected up to midday today. And the last price we used is the current one. We are seeing the first 5 days of the year, short term 5 days, as bullish, with about a 4.44% rise. In the midterm, over the next 3 months, we are looking at around 16.58% upside, and long term, over 5 years, we are forecasting a massive 135.8% gain. Keep in mind, these percentages are measured from the 2025 year-end close, and obviously there will be plenty of ups and downs along the way. So on the next slide, you'll see our predicted yearly candle for 2026, open, high, low, and close prices. For the open, we based on the 5-minute candle just before December 30, but as you can see, it's crept up a bit since then. So that's normal with such a short time frame. There's always a little roar. But in the final slide where we show the actual candle, we have adjusted it slightly, so no worries there. This price target for close, high, and low were calculated using momentum data and sequence algorithms for potential reversals. We aimed for the highest accuracy possible, around 75% sensitivity, which is the top level in our analysis. So next slide helps you get a clearer picture of the volatility you are expecting. In 2026, we could see swings as big as 51.43% between the high and low. That's roughly 2,202.99 in dollar terms. On the flip side, the year-end close compared to the start could actually be down about 7.18%. Using sequence models, in slide 6, we have mapped out the key support and resistance levels for 2026. There are big picture levels you can use for weekly time frame trading. So, at least based on our forecast. Pause the video, jot them down, mark them on your charts, and keep them handy. Okay? We will remind you of these at the end of 2026, and we'll reference them in our other predictions throughout the year too. Okay. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss our future forecasts and trading scenarios. Thank you. Moving on, the next slide shows the yearly linear close chart for gold. We are projecting a 2026 close at 3,976.12, which, as I mentioned, is actually lower than where we are right now. I know that. But in the following chart, we looked at a correction relative to our base year of the 2005. Okay. And after 3 straight positive years for gold, we are calling for a negative one in 2026, around that 7.2 percent drop I talked about. How that correction plays out, it's key, and you'll see it clearly in the yearly candle on the final slide. Okay. Here it is, the 2026 gold yearly candle. Okay, we are looking at a bearish pin bar with really high volatility. You know that projected high of 6,097.26 might sound crazy to some of you right now, but remember at the start of 2025. A lot of people thought getting near $4,500 was impossible to. Seriously think about that. High as a potential target. We actually had even higher numbers in some calculations, but we are not sharing those yet because their fundamental scores are lower for now. Okay? This candle suggests that at some point, maybe after the first quarter or toward the end of 2026, we hit that monster high, then drop to our project low and close the year in the red. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 gold forecast and found it helpful. Like I said, we're just getting started. If you've got tons more seasonal, weekly, and even daily models coming your way soon, stick around and follow along. Wishing you all massive success and profitable trades. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye.